right there too. Did that move at all?
Mm-mm.
That's fine. Oh, okay. What seminar is that?
Learn to adjust for like PTs.
Oh, that's right. That's here?
Yeah.
Oh, that was easy. Anytime I watch PTs adjust, I'm like, oh, jeez.
It's so funny too because
the technique just isn't there.
he's like all against like
Manipulation?
Yeah.
Yeah. But it's different though, right? The way they manipulate.
Yeah. Nice. He has. Okay. So you have a patient until 2 o'clock. Nope.
I had this new patient that came in with like just low back pain. And he's been to like 2 other chiros before, which I just don't like it.
Yeah.
Because they just have like expectations and I don't know. But his low back is like very hard to adjust. And I think I know he had MRIs and he has like a disc issue.
Mm-hmm.
And so like right now it's really bad. But I always just feel like such a loser. I'm like, fuck. But he did buy a package, so.
Well, that's good.
Yeah.
So, I don't know, it's like 50-50 because, well, it's like they're on their second or third chiropractor.
Yeah.
And it's like, okay, you know, is it because something to do with them or something to do with you?
Yeah. It just felt like a marketing sales pitch and like, he's like, I just wasn't feeling it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm like, yeah, I get that. Did I tell you that I was starting to have that pain in my wrist?
Oh, really? No.
I'm like, that, damn, you gave it to me.
I gave it to you, wow.
Seriously, like it was in the same spot and I feel it when I was like massaging people, like going between people, and I was like, I'd be like, oh, it hurts so bad.
Yeah.
It's such a like sharp.
Yeah, it still hurts. It's by no means is it good, but especially when I adjust necks, I make sure to like strain my wrist because I think in the past
I definitely do that.
So I really make sure to come around so that my wrist is straight now.
Right. have a new patient today. They already paid, so I'm not too worried about it. But they went. Some people will just type in ChiroFit and not the gym. So I'll go to the one in Eden Prairie.
Eden Prairie.
It's called like ChiroFit Health and Wellness or something like that. And that like literally has happened to several people.
Jeez.
Yeah,
You're getting all the new patients.
I might have to change the name of my place.
Jeez.